Hi there, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be doing the unboxing and review of this condenser microphone. In my own opinion, this is just like the famous Neumann U87 AI condenser microphone on steroids. It's on budget under $100 and you can get this microphone and I believe it is going to serve you. Now, when you open the box, my friend, first thing you find is, of course, the manual or the guide that will give you some information from this. And you'll get this, just a minute, you get this, from there. It's just to hold the microphone and put it on a stand, okay? And then the microphone itself. Now, look at this. I just like the finishing of it. I like the taste of it. I like how heavy it is. And so, my friend, I'll be doing the review of this very microphone. But before that, I want to give you the specifications of this very microphone before we go and make a review of it, which I'm going to do it from a busy market to see how much we can get from this very microphone. Okay. So I've said you have this guide which gives you the specifications and how to use this microphone. And we are going to use this to demonstrate to you what this microphone feels. Now, when you look at the specifications, the polar pattern, it is unidirectional. That means it picks sound from one direction. And then the frequency response is 20 Hertz, which is still cool, okay? And then the sensitivity is negative 34 decibels plus or minus 2 decibels. So it can go to either negative 37 decibels or to negative 32 decibels. That is the sensitivity of this condenser microphone. The output impedance is 150 ohms. This is the amount of energy or the amount of amperes that this very microphone gives us an output, which is still cool. And you can have a plus or minus 30% of this, okay? The load impedance is greater than or equal to 1,000 amperes. And that means that this condenser microphone uses phantom power, okay? Without phantom power, this cannot be powered. The equivalent noise level is 16 decibels, and that is still cool. And so generally this microphone, I think I like it. On the budget of less than $100, this is a go-to microphone, maybe for beginners. And we are going to test this microphone in a busy market and see how much quality of audio we can get from this microphone. Now let's move to the review of this condenser microphone. Now you'll allow me to create a new audio and then we are going to run this test. Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan and this is mic test 1, 2. Now we are going to listen to this without any edit and then we are going to edit it and see how far it's going to do. Then let's record the one that we are going to edit. Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan and this is mic test 1, 2 when the audio is edited. Now we are going to listen to both of these audios and see how it picks. Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan and this is mic test 1, 2. So you realize that it picks a lot of noise. In fact, almost every noise that comes around this microphone picks it. And then in the next audio, we are going to now edit it and see how it sounds. But first, let's listen to how it sounds. Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan and this is mic test 1, 2 when the audio is edited. Okay, the first thing I want to do is to reduce the noises to as much as possible, or I want to push it to a moment that I feel I no longer hear the noise. And if it is there, maybe it's to the minimal levels. So I'm going to select this because I know it's noise. Maybe push it a little bit. In fact, a little bit. Okay, then I'll hit on effects and then noise reduction and capture noise sprint. just like that. Then I'm going to hit Control A to select all, then hit Effect, Noise Reduction, and Noise Reduction Process. Then let's listen to it with the noise.
Hi there.
And then without the noise.
This is Kazungu Duncan, and this is mic test 1, 2. So
I'll do a little bit of tweaks in here just to balance these noises. And then listen to it.
We are going to listen to this without the edit, and
I think this software has done as good, has done as justice to just remove that noise, and I feel that's okay. Then I'll hit apply. Then let's listen to a part where we have reduced the noise.
Hi there.
The noise has been reduced to a level that is manageable. The next thing I want to do, remember we are editing this part of the audio, so I'll highlight this part. And then the next thing I want us to do now is to apply a single band compressor. So I'll hit on effects and then amplitude and compression and then a single band compressor. I've set the threshold to negative 14 decibels, ratio to 4:1, attack to 10 milliseconds, release to 100 milliseconds, and out gain to 0 decibels. Then let's listen to this.
Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan.
To my opinion, it has done us justice to just reduce the lows and the highs. Then I'll hit apply. Okay, then the next thing I want to do is to apply an equalizer. It's called a parametric equalizer. So I'll hit on effects, then filter and EQ, and then I'll hit on parametric equalizer. And in here, I'm going to edit the lows and the highs, and also I'm going to edit the mids. So let's listen to this first.
And this is mic test 1, 2.
You realize that there's a lot of bass in it, or there are a lot of lows in it. So I'm going to reduce the loss.
When the audio is edited. Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan, and this is mic test.
There's a lot of highs, so I'm going to reduce this.
When the audio is edited. Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan, and this is mic test 1, 2 when the audio is edited. Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan, and this is mic test 1, 2 when the audio is edited. Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan, and this is mic test 1, 2 when the audio is edited. Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan, and this is mic test 1, 2 when the audio is edited. Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan, and this is mic test 1.
So I think I've reduced the lows and also balanced the highs and the mids, and I feel to this point this audio is okay. So I'll hit apply and then we'll listen to it.
When the audio is edited.
It might not be to that level that we want, but I guess this is just fine with us. Then the next thing I want to do is to apply the multi-band compressor. I'll hit on effects and then amplitude and compression and hit on multi-band compressor and listen to this.
Hi there, this is...
Now we'll look at the presets. You are going to test the presets and see the one that works for you. For me, I usually use broadcast, but I want to allow us to listen to other presets and see how it sounds.
This is Kazungu Duncan, and this is mic test 1, 2 when the audio is edited. Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan, and this is mic test 1, 2 when the audio is edited. Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan, and this is mic test 1, 2 when the audio is edited. Hi there, this is...
So I've said normally I usually use the broadcast because it gives me a lot of oomph. But again, I think I like this.
And this is mic test 1, 2 when the audio is...
This enhanced highs is a bit okay to this audio. It can work because I think the audio already has a lot of lows. So maybe to enhance the highs can be okay with us. But for me, I think I'll go with broadcast, just like that, and then hit apply. And by the way, you can do your custom edits when it comes to this. But for me, I want to go with the preset and hit apply. Then I'll listen to the
edit
audio.
it. Hi there.
Now, the audio is a bit, louder. I want to reduce it to a manageable decibel. And all I need to do now is to normalize this process. So I'll hit on effects, and then I'll come to amplitude and compression and hit on normalize. And then I'll normalize at -3 decibels.
There, this is Kazungu Duncan, and this is mic test 1, 2 when the audio...
I think now the audio is okay. But again, if you feel that the normalizing this process hasn't helped a lot, we can hit Control Z and then come to effects and then amplitude and normalize. Then we can normalize it at -4. I think -4 would be something cool, just like that, and then apply.
Video is edited. Hi there, this is Kazungu Duncan and this is mic test.
So you realize that this software limits these highs and lows not to go beyond -4 decibels or +4 decibels. So you realize when you normalize this process, the audio is now fine for listening to, maybe using headphones or using earbuds, and that is going to help us, you know, when someone is listening to this.
1, 2, when the audio.
So when I listen to this audio, I now feel it is ready to be used or to be uploaded. And I decided to record this in a busy place to just let you see how much noise this condenser microphone can pick, because it is very sensitive. And that means if you put this condenser microphone in a well-treated or acoustically treated room or house, it's going to give you the best results. Because if it is in a busy market and it's giving this audio after editing, then I feel this is fine. I'm going to be recording my future videos on this, and I'm hoping that, my friend, you're going to listen to this and you're going to see the difference, maybe when recorded in an open area and when recorded in a closed, maybe well acoustically treated room, to give you the best result. So for a budget that you have, I think this microphone is a good one that you can go for. And if you need to purchase this and you're in Kenya, you can ask me to help you know where I purchased this. But at the end of the day, I hope that this video helped you. And if that is the case, please don't forget to like this video so that you can reach out to more people. And above all, if you love to support this channel, please make sure that you subscribe. Otherwise, I hope that I will see you in our next video. Peace.